Have you ever felt stuck, unsure of where to even begin on your path to success? You're not alone. We all have dreams, big ones. But sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 simple, actionable steps to kickstart your journey to success. Whether you're chasing a career goal, a personal dream, or just trying to improve yourself, this video is for you. Let's make today the day you take that first step. Success starts here, in your mind. If you don't believe you can succeed, you're setting yourself up for failure before you even begin. Think about it. Every successful person you admire, from athletes to entrepreneurs, face doubts and obstacles. What set them apart? Their mindset. Take someone like Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb, but he kept going because he believed failure was just a step towards success. So, how do you build that mindset? Start by replacing "I can't" with "I'll try." Celebrate small wins and remind yourself, success is a marathon, not a sprint. Try this. Write down one negative thought you have about your goal. Maybe it's, "I'm not good enough." Now flip it into something positive, like, "I'm improving every day." Keep that new thought somewhere you'll see it, like your phone or a sticky note. Now that your mindset's on track, let's get clear on what you want. Vague dreams like, "I want to be successful," won't work. You need goals you can actually chase. That's where SMART goals come in. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's how it works. 1. Specific. What exactly do you want? Not, "I want to get fit," but "I want to run a 5K. 2. Measurable. How will you track it? "I'll run 3 times a week." 3. Achievable. Is it doable? A 5K in 3 months is realistic. A marathon next week might not be. 4. Relevant. Does it matter to you? It should tie into your bigger dreams. 5. Time-bound. Give it a deadline. "I'll run that 5K by January." Grab a pen right now and write your SMART goal. Pause the video if you need to. Seeing it on paper makes it real. Here's the deal. A goal without action is just a wish. But you don't have to do it all at once. Start small and let momentum build. Think about your goal. What's one tiny step you can take today? Want a new job? Update your resume. Starting a side hustle. Spend 15 minutes researching. Small steps add up, like drops filling a bucket. Now let's talk fear. Fear of failing. Fear of looking silly. It's normal. But here's the thing. Successful people feel it too. They just act anyway. Set a timer for 10 minutes and do one small thing. Fear fades once you start moving. Here's the reality. Success isn't a straight line. You'll hit bumps, maybe even crash. But perseverance is what keeps you going. Setbacks aren't failures, they're lessons. When I missed a deadline but learned to manage my time better, it taught me resilience. So when things get tough, ask, "What can I learn here?" And keep this in mind. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. So here's your roadmap. Master your mindset. Set SMART goals. Take small actions and embrace perseverance. These steps work for any dream. But the most important thing, start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. I believe in you. You've got this. So what's your first step? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Let's build a community of dream chasers together. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Success isn't a finish line, it's a journey, and yours starts right now.